Hey guys, it's Sophia Stars here, and today I have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and I am LPS Stars' best friend in real life, and I may begin a YouTube channel, but I'm not exactly sure yet.
Yeah, she's still thinking about it.
So.
Yeah, so don't get your hopes up, guys. Alright, you want to know about the skit, or I do?
You can.
Okay, so today's skit is going to be the vending machine skit.
All right, let's get to it. I am so hungry.
Me too, like, we should get a snack.
Yeah. Ooh, gum.
Oh, I'll call it.
What? Not gum. Not gum.
What is this? It's
Don't
paint.
eat it. What?
It's paint.
Ew.
It's just... stuck in my paw!
Ew. Ew! Don't put it on me. Okay, let's try this one. You try that one. A cup?
A cup, really.
Does it have anything in it? No.
It's just a cup.
Wow.
Just
a cup. Get out
put
of
it
here.
back in there. For somebody else.
Get out of here, cup.
Here! Get that out of here.
Okay.
Should we try this one?
Yeah.
Try it. Nothing!
Let's try this one. No, nothing. I'm so hungry. I could eat this vending machine. I'll eat you next. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Not. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
You look delicious all of a sudden.
Ah!
I like a hot dog. I like your hot dog! Sorry about that. Hey, I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the Mexican restaurant. I think they have free food in the
Oh yeah, I had
dumpster.
to have tamales and
Oh, they have free samples at Lowe's.
oh my gosh.
Wait, no, Sam's. Oh,
Sam's.
Let's
Sam's.
go.
Ooh, vending machine. Oh, I got a cupcake and a biscuit. Best day of my life. I'm such a lucky guy.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Get him!
Ouch.